For this pancake recipe, you will need some butter, some warm water, a cup of flour, an egg, a cup of milk, some salt, and then some assorting toppings such as bananas, blueberries, berries, and some chocolatey spread. So it's very simple. First you're going to melt your butter and then put this into a mixing bowl. Then you're going to add your flour, your milk, the water, some salt, and lastly breaking your egg in here. Once you have everything inside the mixing bowl, you're gonna grab a whisk and whisk until you get a smooth batter consistency. Simple, once you get the consistency that you can see in the video now, they are ready to be cooked. So for this, you're going to set a frying pan at medium heat and melt some butter in it. Spread it throughout the pan. This will avoid the pancakes from sticking to the pan. Then you're going to pour a spoonful of butter and cook for roughly 1 minute on each side until golden. So once one side is ready, you're gonna grab your pan and flip it and cook on the other side for another minute until it's golden. So you're gonna keep doing this for your whole mixture and then you're ready to enjoy them. We recommend pairing them with some seasonal fruits and some chocolatey spreads. Enjoy!